spacious living area. You can place your sofa. We have the kitchen where you will get 2 parallel platforms. Is our next master bedroom that you can see is very spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Lighthouse in the City by Pranjapay located in Thane. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right outside the sales office, and to my left is the actual land parcel where the construction is in full swing. Before getting into all the details of this project, first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project will be constructed on the land parcel of 4.8 acres having 2 towers with ground plus 2 podium plus 36 residential floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. Talking about the amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities with half Olympic sized swimming pool, 3600 square feet clubhouse, open garden gym, amphitheater, indoor games, banquet hall, kids play area and many more amenities. As you can see, this is the entrance of the project and this is the neighborhood of the project. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Meadows, Thane West, from where upcoming metro station Manpara is only 5 minutes walk and Thane railway station is only 15 minutes drive. And also Eastern Express Highway is only at a distance of 2 minutes drive and Thane Borivali Tunnel is at a distance of 5 minutes drive. You also have school, colleges and hospitals within 1 kilometer from the project. To know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. So now we are standing outside the 3 BHK of Lighthouse in the City. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 884 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, you can see you will get a spacious living area. You can place your sofas, your center tables. You can also customize a small closet in this corner. You can customize your TV unit and you will also get full French windows with a very spacious balcony in this living. You can place your tea tables and tea chairs in the balcony to enjoy tea time with your family. Moving forward, here we have a dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table to enjoy meals with your family. And over here, we have the kitchen where you will get 2 parallel platforms. One is the full platform and second is half. You can also place your refrigerator in this corner. You can customize your lower cabinets and upper cabinets. And you will also get full French windows with a dryer balcony in the kitchen. You can place your washing machine in the dryer balcony. Moving forward to the bedrooms. This will be your alley area to the bedrooms that give you full privacy. In the starting, we have a common washroom that comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Opposite to the common washroom, we have a common bedroom that you can also make your kids' bedroom or your guest bedroom. You can customize your study corner and make it your study room as well. The closet space that is provided is within the wall that gives your bedroom a bigger look. You will also get half French windows with a glass facade in this bedroom. Moving to the other bedrooms, may I mention the other 2 bedrooms are master bedrooms. This is a first master bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can place your king or queen size bed along with the side tables. And you have plenty of walkable space. Also, you can customize your study corner or your makeup corner, and the wardrobe space provided in this bedroom is also within the wall that gives your bedroom a bigger look. You will get half French windows with a glass facade in this bedroom to give you a standing balcony look. Over here is the attached washroom. That is also very spacious and it comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tools, we give you actual location tools, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the other master bedroom of this 3 BHK. Over here is our next master bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can place your king and queen size bed and you will have plenty of walkable space. You can customize your makeup corner over here and customize your TV unit or study table over here. We also have wardrobe space that is within the wall that gives your bedroom a bigger look. You will also get half French windows with a glass facade in this bedroom to give you a standing balcony look. And here is the attached washroom that is spacious and it also comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. So this was the 3 BHK tour of Lighthouse in the city. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, I have one question for you. You have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Lighthouse in the city by Pranjapay located in Thane.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.